Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make coconut cake. We'll see what are the ingredients needed for that. These are the cinnamons I am using for the coconut cake. Clove, cardamom, nutmeg and cinnamon. We must roast this and grind and powder it and take. We need 400 grams of coconut, 300 grams of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 25 grams of roasted cashews, 50 grams of RULAN, 300 grams of flour, all-purpose flour, 250 grams of powdered sugar, and we need ground spice 1.5 teaspoon. We must take clove, cardamom, cinnamon and nutmeg. We must roast it and powder it and take. Now we'll see how to make this. First of all, we must make sweet coconut. We need for that coconut and sugar. And we are adding the ground spice also for that. First we must make sugar syrup. Little add sugar like this and keep little water with you, and we'll make the sugar syrup. After that we are adding other sugar. Here it's becoming little golden color. Now turn like this and make the syrup. Now we'll add water. Now we'll add all the remaining sugar, and we'll add little salt also, quarter teaspoon of salt. We'll add quarter teaspoon of salt. Here now we'll add the coconut. Sugar. We must dissolve the sugar and make the sugar syrup like this and add the coconut. Mix it well. I mix the sweet coconut now off the cooker and it to be cool. Here's my sweet coconut. We'll add all the other ingredients. First we'll add the powdered sugar and mix it well. ground spice and mix it well. Mix this and you add to this flour 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and sieve the flour and take. Preheat the oven for 150 degrees for 10 minutes. We'll add the RULAN to this and mix it well. After that, we need 250 grams of dates. Tone the date and cut it and take 250 grams. I forgot to tell early. Now we can add that at this time. Now add the dates and mix it well. Now we'll add the flour little by little and mix from a palette. Here's my batter. We'll put to the tray. I ready a tray for this is a 11 by 11 inch tray. I line under the first I put under 2 papers and after that I put the oil paper. First, now we'll add the batter to that. We'll add the batter to this dish. Like this, flat the cake and sprinkle the cashews upon it. Here's the cashew. We'll sprinkle upon this. And press it like this. I am adding 1 lime peel. Now upon this I can sprinkle. Smells good. If you are mixing time also you can add this. Otherwise you can sprinkle also, never mind. And from the palette like this, spread to everywhere. My coconut cake is okay now. We'll bake this for half an hour in 150 degrees. Other half an hour we must bake 180 degrees. Altogether 1 hour we must bake this. We'll bake and see. Here's my well-baked coconut cake. You also make and see. It's very tasty and delicious. I kept 1 hour and 10 minutes in my oven, that much too. The oven to oven it is changing. You can check like this, prick a toothpick, or you can put a knife and do like this. If anything didn't apply, it was well baked. We'll cut and see now. Let it to be cool. After that we'll cut and see. This is very sweet. That's why you take out from the tray and remove this oil paper slowly and cut into squares. Here's my well-baked coconut cake. You also make and taste and see. Thanks for watching.